This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can record the screen on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the control panel. Here find the screen recorder shortcut, tap on it, grant all the necessary permissions. I forgot to grant the mic permission or accidentally rejected it, so let me allow it real quick. Now you'll see here we go again. Now you'll see this little introduction guide, and here is your shortcut. So while recording the screen, you can mute mic, unmute your microphone, and in order to finish the screen recording, just tap at this part over here, and now your screen recording is saved to the gallery. You can also tap and hold at this icon to open the screen recording settings, it does not allow you to do that, but that's fine. You will probably be able to find it by just using the settings search. Let's see. Yeah, so apparently it does not provide you with those settings, but that's fine nonetheless. So in order to find your screen recordings, you will need to launch the gallery, albums, and they are getting saved to the separate videos folder. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.